Good afternoon. My name is Christian Rincon. I am a student at EAN University. Today I'm going to make a presentation for my class on Language 4 in the group number 1, okay? So let's start from the beginning. I'm going to expose about the characteristics of the product that we select. So I select the product named Toothbrush. And this is going to be my item, okay? So first I'm going to show you a little sketch about my item. So it's going to show up on the screen right now. And now let's start with the name of the product. So the name of the product is going to be the tooth care. Okay, so the group of customer for this product is going to be everyone. So why? Because we are going to select three different types of dental bristles. So that way it's going to be soft, medium, and hard for everyone that desire the item. Okay. So the shape is going to be long and oval in the handle. I'm going to show you a little example with this little toothbrush over here. So if you see, it's going to be long and it's going to be oval in the handle. It also has a little button over here that activates the vibration of the toothbrush. It's going to be a vibration toothbrush, just to be sure, okay? Then, if we're talking about the color, we're going to make 6 different colors. The first one is going to be blue, then red, green, orange, pink, and purple as well. Then we're going to talk about the materials. If you're talking about the materials, the handle is made with a derived from petroleum called PVC, and the bristles are made with nylon. Okay, so continuing going ahead, we got over here the size, and if we're talking about the size, we manage 2 different sizes, one for adults and other one for kids. Okay, one bigger than the other, of course, to offer different options for all the families. If we're talking about families in general, we have to take into account the little ones and also the grow-up ones. Okay, so if we're talking about the appearance, we're going to speak about the toothbrush. Is a thin at the top, so I'm going to show again this item. It's going to be thin at the top, and on the handle is wide in appearance for easy grip. Okay, its handle also has a non-slip material. If you see in this part, the purple color is going to be in a different material, so on that way it will prevent it from slipping if it gets wet. Also, the material of the bristles is soft, medium, or hard, and nylon, depending on the person's preference. And on the back, it has a rough material which helps clean the tongue and palate. Okay, so let's continue. Let's talk now about the suggested prices. If we're talking about the suggested price, it's going to be 24,900 Colombian pesos. So if we're talking about this item prices because of the materials that we use in the elaboration of the same item, and also, well, of course, the manufacturing like duty that we have to apply on this. Okay. Then, if we're talking about rules and regulations, there is one in specific that I want to talk about, and it's going to be the ISO 20126. The International Organization for Standardization, ISO, at the beginning of 2012, published the ISO 20126 standard. The objective of this standard is to know if toothbrushes are effective and perform with properties they claim to possess. The standard includes compliance and non-compliance criteria, physical inspection, guidelines, resistance to fatigue, also chemical attack and impact resistance for the handle of manual toothbrushes. It also established guidelines for making, labeling, and packaging. Okay, so then also if we're talking about these rules, I want to mention also that it's going to include the ISO 1942 dentistry. The vocabulary of this that includes the vocabulary, the industry of all the rule. Also is include the ISO 3696, that is going to be water for use in laboratory analysis, specifications and test methods. Also is necessary for the ISO 20126 and the ISO 22254 dentistry manual toothbrushes, the flexion resistance of planning of the planning surfaces. Okay, so that's it. I already showed you my item. I'm going to let you with a little sketch at the end of this video showing up what is my item, what I'm exposing today. Hope you understand every of the information that I provide. Hope it's useful as well. Let's meet you in another occasion. Hope you have a great one.